Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a modern powder room design that will transform your space into a stylish sanitary. Modern powder rooms are also about creating a chic and a sophisticated atmosphere while maximizing functionality. Opt for sleek fixtures like floating vanities and well-mounted toilets create an open and airy feel. Incorporate geometric patterns, bold colors, or textured wallpaper to add visual interest and make a statement. Don't forget to pay attention to lighting as it can enhance the overall ambience of the room. With these modern powder room design ideas, you can achieve a contemporary and luxurious space. When you know how to make the most of the special space powder room layout, typical powder room dimensions include the following dimensions: a standard size of 20 square feet, with smaller powder rooms being allowed as small as 11 square feet. Minimum of 32 inches opening for a door is required, at least 21 inches in front of the toilet, and sink for leg room is also necessary. Space between toilet and walls must be 15 inch, each measuring from the center of the toilet. Friends, if you like this video on modern powder room and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates.